guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from OKX exchange to Web3. So we are going to head over web3.okx.com. Basically, we're going to have the receiving wallet from it. Basically, you're going to get the app. As you can see, depending on the platform or the device that you're going to use from here is going to be very simple. We have the App Store or the Apple Store, Google Play, Google Extension, also the Microsoft Edge one. So I have downloaded my version. Then I have verified my account and saved the password phrases. Now, as you can see, everything is set up. Now, what are we going to do? Basically, to transfer from the Exchange wallet to Web3 is going to be very simple. We're going to click the Receive button. Then we're going to select the coin or the asset that we have. Like, I don't know here, Bitcoin. So we are going to have some of the addresses. You can select one of the addresses and then you're going to have the BTC, for example, for Taproot. You're going to copy it and then you're going to set up the amount. So as you can see here, we have the Bitcoin. So you're going to set up the amount if you have selected that. Also for the, as you can see, USDT, it is going to be the same one. So we are going to set up the amount, for example, here, and then we are going to confirm. After that, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to have everything set up. You are going to get the QR code or the specific, as you can see here, the wallet address. Now, if you are going to send, it is going to be very simple also. You need to have some assets into your wallet. Basically, it is the wallet is going to be in here, so you're going to have it right there. And then you're going to set up everything. Now, here you can add your accounts into the platform or the wallet on the toolkits right there. And then you're going to have everything set up for the account. And then you can also add multiple accounts or add wallets from here from scratch, existing wallet, or connect a hardware wallet. This is how simple it is to transfer the exchanges or the crypto from OKX exchange to Web3. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.